Avoid the reverend. Avoid killing work. You need reverend, huh? Okay.
Charles Peter Mayiga calls for rule of law on Janan Luwum Day. The Katikiro, or Prime Minister of the Uganda Kingdom, Charles Peter Mayiga, has called for strict observance of the rule of law as Uganda commemorates Archbishop Janan Luwum Day. Archbishop Janan Luwum was murdered in 1997 under the regime of former President Idi Amin, who accused him, together with ministers killed at the same time, of collaborating with former President Milton Obote to overthrow the government. In his message of solidarity, Mayiga emphasized that the day should serve as a solemn reminder that Uganda must never again witness gross violations of human rights, particularly extrajudicial killings. He noted with concern that the country recently experienced violence, arrest, and reported killings during the just concluded general elections. He stressed that national stability and sustainable development can only be achieved when the rule of law prevails without exception. Across the country, citizens are traveling from different regions to converge in commemoration of Janan Luwum Day, honoring the legacy of a religious leader widely regarded as a martyr for justice and faith. Acholi TV continues to follow events surrounding the national commemoration.